TikTok says this internal shower drink will flush out your gut and fix constipation overnight. But doctors and dietitians warn, if you make one common mistake, you could get more bloated or worse. Let's talk about what the trend gets right and what can go seriously wrong. The viral drink is simple. Mix chia seeds with a glass of water, usually 8 to 10 ounces, add lemon juice, stir, and let it sit so the seeds absorb liquid and turn gel-like before you drink. The recipe varies. Some creators use 1 tablespoon, others go up to 2 tablespoons. The soak time? Anywhere from 15 minutes to about half an hour, depending on who you follow. Chia seeds are tiny fiber powerhouses. 2 tablespoons deliver roughly 10 grams of fiber, a big step toward the 25 to 38 grams most adults should get daily, but usually don't. When soaked, the seeds form a mucilaginous gel. That soluble fiber helps hold water in your stool, adds bulk, and can support more regular bowel movements. Chia also brings plant omega-3s, protein, minerals, and antioxidants, so it's more than just a laxative fad. If you're low on fiber, a properly soaked chia drink may help soften things, keep food moving, and support your gut microbes. Some people report easier bathroom visits within a day or 2. Others just feel fuller and snack less, thanks to the fiber plus water combo. Here's where trends go off the rails. If you toss chia seeds in water and chug before they hydrate, or worse, swallow them dry, the seeds can keep absorbing fluid inside your throat or gut. That expansion can trigger bloating, cramping, worse constipation, and in rare cases a serious swallowing blockage that sent people to the emergency room. Measure. Start with 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon if you're new to high fiber. Liquid. Add to at least 8 10-ounce water in a jar or shaker. Flavor. Squeeze lemon, optional pinch of salt. Stir and soak. Stir well, wait 15-30 minutes so seeds fully gel. Stir again before drinking to break clumps. Chase with water. Sip an extra glass of plain water afterward to help the fiber move. On-screen text. Start small, soak 15-30 minutes, stay hydrated. If you have inflammatory bowel disease in an active flare, large sudden fiber loads can aggravate symptoms. Check with your doctor first. Anyone with swallowing difficulties, esophageal strictures, or a history of food getting stuck should avoid dry seeds and be extra cautious even with soaked ones. And if high-fiber drinks give you sharp cramps, scale back the amount or frequency. No drink washes toxins out of your body. That's what your liver, kidneys, and gut do every day. The internal shower works when it works because you're adding water plus soluble fiber. Think of it as one tool in an overall high-fiber, well-hydrated diet, not a miracle cleanse. Have you tried the Chia internal shower? Did it help or leave you bloated? Drop your experience in the comments. If you want a printable recipe, fiber tracker, let me know below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this before your friends chug dry chia.